This is question number 20 of the practice final. So in this case, they're asking for the domain of a fraction. Even though the fraction has a trinomial on it, we're still going to work this. So a domain means denominator, and specifically what you don't want. Okay? So what do we not want in the denominator? Well, for a fraction, since we have a fraction, we do not want this. Okay? Or I guess we could just say no. So we don't want this to happen, which means we can set the denominator equal to 0. We just got to solve this question here, and that'll tell us what we don't want the denominator to be. Or if you want, you could say not equal 0. It's another way of remembering that. This is what we're trying to do. So we have 35. So 35 is a 5 and a 7 to make a 35. And if we add them together, if we find the difference, because again, we have a negative c, so we're looking for the difference, and we have a negative b, which means a bigger number, the 7 has to be negative. So this one's up with a negative 2. So we both multiply to get 35, add together to get 2, and with 7 being negative, we get a negative 2. So, two ways of answering this. I could do the lightning bolts and just say, well, I don't want x to be negative 5 or 7. Or we can solve it, and we could say that x plus 5 not equal to 0. And we could say that x minus 7 not equal to 0, minus 5x not equal negative 5, plus 7x not equal to 7. So those are the two ways of doing that. And that's pretty much it. So those are the only two numbers it's asking for this. What can it not be? And if I remember correctly, the question would say x such that x not equal negative 5, comma, x not equal 7. Okay?